Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, I'm diving into a fragrance that's been on my radar for a while, Byredo Blanche Eau de Parfum. This one's a 1.7 ounce spray, launched by the iconic design house Byredo back in 2009. It's classified as a floral aldehyde scent, blending notes like rose, pink pepper, aldehydes, peony, sandalwood, and musk. It's made in France and promises a long-lasting experience that keeps you fresh throughout the day. So, let's break it down. The fragrance opens with a bright burst of aldehydes mixed with a subtle pink pepper kick, giving it a fresh yet slightly spicy edge. The heart is very floral. Peony and rose combine beautifully, creating a delicate but modern floral vibe that feels elegant without being overpowering. As it dries down, the sandalwood and musk bring warmth and softness, grounding the scent and adding a gentle sensuality. It's definitely designed to feel clean and sophisticated rather than heavy or overly sweet. In terms of wearability, I found Byredo Blanche easy to incorporate into my daily routine. The spray disperses evenly without being too aggressive, so it works well for daytime wear, whether you're heading to work or a casual outing. The longevity surprised me in a good way. It stayed noticeable on my skin for about 6 to 7 hours, which is solid for an eau de parfum, especially one that's light and fresh. I didn't notice any irritation or heaviness, so it's pretty skin-friendly too. Now, for the pros. The scent is uniquely fresh, with a clean floral profile that feels very modern and unisex, although this one is marketed toward women. The composition balances floral and woody notes elegantly without becoming cloying or overly synthetic. The bottle is minimalistic and chic, simple but classy, which fits Byredo's aesthetic perfectly. Also, the fragrance lasts well for a lighter scent, so you're not constantly reapplying. On the flip side, the price point is on the higher end, which is typical for niche brands like Byredo. For some, the scent might feel a bit too subtle or safe if you're looking for something bold or statement-making. And because it leans toward freshness and light florals, it might not satisfy those who prefer heavy, rich, or gourmand perfumes. Lastly, the bottle is beautiful, but standard in size and doesn't offer any additional features like a travel-friendly spray or refill options. Speaking of price, Byredo Blanche sits firmly in the luxury fragrance bracket. While the scent quality and longevity justify the cost for many, there are definitely more budget-friendly floral aldehydes on the market that offer a similar fresh, clean vibe. Brands like Maison Margiela's Replica line, or even some Jo Malone options come to mind. But if you're after something distinctly minimalistic and elegant with that niche edge, Byredo Blanche hits the mark. When compared to other Byredo fragrances or niche floral aldehydes, Blanche stands out for its light, almost ethereal presence. It's less intense than, say, Byredo's Gypsy Water or Bal d'Afrique, but that's exactly why it's perfect for everyday wear and layering. It's more about subtlety than bold statements, which is refreshing in a market saturated with heavy perfumes. The packaging is straightforward but premium. The glass feels sturdy, and the simple label matches Byredo's modern aesthetic. It's not flashy, but it feels luxurious. The product itself has a solid shelf life and hasn't changed much since its launch, which speaks to its well-balanced formula. I haven't had any direct interactions with Byredo's customer service, but the brand is known for its high-end retail experience and generally good customer support. So if you do run into any issues, you can expect professional handling. If you're looking for alternatives that bring a similar fresh floral aldehyde vibe without the steep price, I'd recommend exploring other French niche or semi-niche brands that offer floral scents with aldehydic qualities. But keep in mind, the refinement and subtlety of Byredo Blanche do set it apart. All right, quick pause. If you're finding this review helpful so far, please hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon. It really helps Beautyistic reach more fragrance lovers like you and allows me to keep bringing honest, detailed reviews. To wrap things up, Byredo Blanche is a beautifully crafted floral aldehyde fragrance that's perfect for those who appreciate subtlety, elegance, and modern minimalism in their scent wardrobe. It's not overwhelming or heavy, making it a great everyday option for anyone wanting a clean, fresh signature scent. While the price is premium, the quality and unique composition make it worth considering if you're serious about niche perfumery. If you prefer something bold or super long-lasting, this might not be your go-to, But for a sophisticated, delicate floral, it ticks a lot of boxes. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've tried Byredo Blanche, drop your thoughts below. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. You can find a purchase link in the description or comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.